Unoyalam ko All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulo ong bakade ke jingkwa choki pajba banwanra abyan ke shongsuk shongsan ha ke jala Meghalaya kumta ong bak Jingiakren ka banlong ha pereng ka sarkar kami ka sarkar jalla bar ka seng Hnlc ka de ban Poi Sha ka thong ka banwanra ke Jingsuk Kaba Neh.
It has been the collective desire and intent of the people of the state to restore peace. Now, there are many ways of engaging with so-called militant outfits, with notified and banned outfits, proscribed organizations. There are many ways. Now, but the intent must be very clear. Intent must be to restore a peace which is sustainable. Okay. Now, if any exercise or modality adopted create a situation where people tend to think that, okay, by joining militancy, by floating organizations, people can ultimately get away even after committing crime, then its ramification will be different. Now, even when we embarked upon this whole exercise, the comprehensive multi-pronged approach that was adopted by the then government, the intent was to restore peace which can be sustained. And therefore, we have been abundantly clear in ensuring that, okay, all those crimes committed as per records which were available with the law enforcing agencies, if there is any heinous crime committed by any of the members of the organization, then we will not have any kind of so-called writing of those cases or withdrawal of such cases in respect of heinous crimes committed, which are well defined, which were particularly meant for any instances of killing or murder. Okay. The rest we decided the government will withdraw to ensure that, okay, the honest intent of all the members who belong to these different organizations, including banned and proscribed organizations, are able to really assimilate themselves with the national mainstream and be a capable, competent contributor for the overall growth and prosperity of the community and the state and the nation as a whole. So that was how we looked at things. Now, how this whole exercise will unfold and how this whole discussion will ultimately be dribbled or somehow negotiated by them, by both the parties, rather here not both, it's a tripartite discussion, will have to be keenly watched. Because the ultimate intention must be to ensure that there is a peace restored, but which is sustainable.